Alright, let's keep rolling. Second way to rob a bank. The tunnel crew. Well, my little moles, are we through yet? Oh, that's gotta be the vault. Most bank vaults are constructed underground. Their walls and floors are made of reinforced concrete, often more than 3 feet thick. Easy with the drill. There could be vibration sensors in the floor. Breaking through 3 feet of reinforced concrete can take days, so here's a better idea. Drill a few holes and plant some explosives. Sure, it's a little loud, but it's fast and very effective. Wait, that's it? That concrete's way too thin for a vault. Hey, crawl in there and take a look. Well, good news. We're in the right building. It's the men's restroom, judging by the urinals. Bad news, the vault's about 100 feet down the hallway. Restrooms usually don't have cameras or security systems, but the hallways, oh, those are loaded with sensors. Let's see what the scope shows. All right, 1 security camera and 1 motion sensor. Good. I'll disable the camera by looping the footage. The motion sensor. We'll deal with that as we go. Bust a stance. Cover the expendables with white sheets. Passive infrared motion sensors see the world as a grid of tiny temperature zones. Each zone has its own heat signature. When the temperature in those zones changes too quickly, alarm. Exposed skin has a different temperature than walls or floors. But under a sheet, the sensor won't notice the difference. Nice! You made it! Wait, where's the other one? What, couldn't find a sheet? Fine. Move it 2 inches per minute. The sensor won't even notice you. The vault door is an engineering masterpiece. Average weight, around 20 tons. Thickness, 3 feet or more. It can withstand massive explosions, even multiple nuclear blasts. These doors are packed with sensors, biometric scanners, bullet-resistant plates, fireproof seals. Honestly, I'm surprised they don't run DNA tests and read your horoscope. But here's the thing. All security systems are built based on past robberies, which means security is always 1 step behind criminals. So what do? Exactly. We borrow a little gadget from our friends in the future. All right. Gently tap it against the wall. Ooh. Now that is a beautiful piece of technology. Easy, easy. Don't get excited. There might still be a volume sensor in here. Nobody go in. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. Volume sensors usually work using the Doppler effect. They send out ultrasonic or microwave waves and measure how long it takes for them to bounce back. When nothing moves, the timing stays consistent. But when someone steps into the wave's path, the signal returns sooner. The sensor doesn't like that. The sensor calls the police. Why are you standing there like idiots? Grab the gold and get out of there. Hey, why are you taking so much? You're not carrying all that. 1 gold bar weighs about 25 pounds. That's like carrying 3 bricks. You never learn, do you? Greedy again. And you, why are you still sneaking? You idiot, help them push. Oh, look. Here come the tactical units. Oh, boys. Your asses are in big trouble over that gold. You can't just walk into a pawn shop with bank gold. Every bar is stamped and traceable. You'll be tracked down and caught immediately. Hello? Yeah, everything's ready. Send the transport ships. No. I'm not hauling all this gold to your galaxy. Someone might rob me on the way. Let's do a wire transfer instead. Faster and safer. Probably. Perfect. Deal. You subscribe, and I'll take care of the transfers.